welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you are, my name is jade.monet. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. So it is back to school time again. I've always wanted to make a back to school video of some sort. I thought it would be a good idea to come up with a couple of hairstyles that are super easy for back to school or work. Today, the hair that I will be using is this drawstring ponytail from Hergivenhair. I will post a little pop-up right here so that you guys can see the structure of the ponytail looks like and the natural curl pattern. How gorgeous is this curl pattern? Period. It comes with 2 clips on the top and the bottom, and then a little drawstring to tighten it. I will definitely show you guys exactly how I install it in my head. It's in the texture curly and it's 18 inches, but I'll leave all of the details in the description box. Yeah, let's just jump right into the video.
All right, hold on, everybody. Hold together. 10 seconds.
I honestly never really wear my hair with this part, but this is cute. This is really cute. you guys returning to school. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you sort of see how versatile these drawstring ponytails can be. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hey, if you're a small YouTuber or a new YouTuber, write me down in the comments.
I'm literally with you. I understand. Like, I get it.
I think that's about it. I will catch you guys in my next video.